Happy Kid Caravan Friday.
Yes, we have little Ramsey in the back seat.
Hello.
Lauren Ramsey. So, what is the address?
The address is 75 Maxine.
Okay, on our way to 75 Maxine Ave. Here
That's
we
where
go.
it's going off. Here we go. Let's check it out.
All right, just finished up with 75 Maxine. Super cute. Oak view. The different pockets of Ojai. Very nice little neighborhood over here that it's in. And it was, what would you say, recently remodeled?
Yeah, turnkey. New flooring, paint,
Yeah, it's clean.
kitchen's been updated.
Nice little backyard, plenty of room for a dog. And it had 4 bedrooms, which was nice and unique. 4 bedrooms is kind of a unique thing.
Yeah, I like the backyard.
Yep.
And all the bedrooms.
Yep.
Have
The-
pretty flooring.
I was gonna say the color that they chose for the inside was very nice.
Yeah.
Just very neutral for someone to move in.
Very neutral.
Yeah.
So today we're doing it a little bit different. We're adding something to our drive. But Lauren and I came up with Ojai trivia questions for you. We're going to see how well you know Ojai. So we have extremely difficult and then we have easy. So we're just shuffling them.
Oh.
So there's no specific order on how
Great.
this is happening.
Great. Okay.
Question number 1. Ojai became an official
Hide it from
city in what year? A, 1903, B, 1921, C, 1937, D, 1954.
An official city.
Yes. In what year?
I'm gonna go with an earlier date and probably say 1921.
That is correct. You weirdo. How did you know that?
I don't know. I didn't see anything. I've been focusing on driving. I don't know. 1921 feels like a good number. There's some. Ojai's history is old. Like it started before the 1900s.
Why
Yeah.
don't you get breakfast? Like a
Uh,
bar or
why don't you
something?
get-
some donuts.
Sure, if that is what you're going
But that's
for.
out of service.
Well, we are at Chevron again, folks.
It's
Our favorite pit stop during Caravan.
We are touring the Creekside.
We're gonna do a skip on this
I'm
one.
really touring it.
Okay, I'm done. Can we?
Go to the next.
So now we are on our way to 910 Mercer Avenue, which is more on the east side of Ojai, getting closer to the east end.
Off Grand.
Off of Grand, on the north side of Grand. So if you're looking in Ojai, you're looking in like the north side neighborhoods up by Topa Topa School. That's where we're going. We're gonna get this view from Mercer's backyard right now when we go there. So Ashley's
Mercer on Mercer.
Ashley's filming it right here as we turn onto Mercer, but when we get there, she's going, or I'm going, to make sure we get you a good shot of that from the backyard. Which will then show the potential of this property, because this property is going to be a fixer-upper.
It is. You have to bring it to where you want it
Yeah.
because that's the need and needs.
But it's a great street, and there's value on this street. So if you're looking for a fixer-upper to make your own, this would be a good spot to do it.
Mercer. That
Great
is-
neighborhood.
Yeah, that checks boxes, but
amazing views
Yes.
of the mountains.
Mhm.
Backs up to just open field owned by someone else.
It was 3 bedrooms.
1.5 bath.
1.5 bath. Yeah.
It definitely has potential. Yeah, it's a great spot. Topa neighborhood, good potential.
Yeah, I love the views.
This
The
one's
views.
under
The
contract.
views.
Yeah,
All right. Should we continue trivia?
let's do it.
Okay.
The famous Ojai tennis tournament began in what year? A. 1915, B. 1923, C. 1948, or D. 1961.
I'm gonna have to say 1961.
Nope. The answer is A. 1915.
Which
No
surprised
joke.
me. Yeah.
Before it was
Yeah.
even a city.
Yeah.
Before it was
Mhm.
officially a city.
Yes.
Wow, good for Ojai.
And honestly, like, I'm hoping that these are all correct answers.
Me too.
Well, we got them off the chat,
This
so
was chat.
there can't be
Okay.
any
Chat helped me
more
put
correct.
this together, so
Chat's
I feel like
genius.
they're pulling off legit facts.
Okay.
So
All right, so
Yeah.
tennis tournament before it was officially a
Yes.
city. All right.
okay, so this question is labeled hard.
Okay.
Hard.
The Libby Bowl, Ojai's iconic outdoor amphitheater, was built in what year?
Libby Bowl.
1915, 1923, 1932, or 1940?
Okay, let's go 1915.
No,
Really?
1923 is the correct
Oh
answer.
man, so
Mm.
we're going tennis founded tennis tournament without the bowl.
Correct.
Then we're going the bowl, and then
Yes.
we're going the city.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
All right.
Mm-hmm. Maybe we'll do like trivia part 2
Yes.
later, like at another caravan date.
Yeah.
And it could be more about like the local, like,
Localness.
Yeah.
We
I
can
feel
make
like
it all
that's
about
history.
trees.
yeah, then you'll
Yeah.
nail those.
Yeah,
I
right.
think.
We're all about
Or
trees.
all about trees.
Oh,
Even we'll get.
yes.
No,
Yes,
you
yes.
should do that for mom. I'll
We
write
should.
them and then you'll do it to mom because mom
'Cause
might
I've been
know.
teaching
No.
you.
Yeah. See
I
if she
knew that
actually
was a second
listens.
more without you,
That you did.
educating me on
You
that.
did.
Educating.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, question number 4. Low.
Okay.
Take it away.
Ojai sits at approximately what elevation above sea level?
The answer is the 740 whatever B.
745.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, well, you needed that one.
I
You
did.
only had
Yeah,
one,
but-
so
2
you're
for
two.
4.
I
Two
think
for
that this
two.
one's hard.
Oh no,
2
2
wrong.
for 4.
Okay. Oh, 2 for 4.
Yeah.
2 wrong, 2 right.
I wish I was 2 for 2.
What was Ojai originally called before it became Ojai?
Oh.
Do you want to try it without even like having to do A, B, C, D and see if you just know it?
Well, yes. Actually, no. Let me hear it because there are 2 names that I know of, and I want to hear if both of them are on there. If they're not, I'll pick the one that I know.
Why don't you tell me? I'll let you know if they're on here.
So one of them is going to be Nordhoff,
Yes.
and the other one, I would think maybe I thought somewhere at one point they did call it like Topa Topa or something, but
Both of
Did
those
you
are
read
on there.
these cards when we were in the
but
bathroom?
no, because I know some of these. Like I
Okay.
know this part, and I know
Okay.
elevation.
All right, so A was Nordhoff, B is Rancho San Antonio,
No,
C is Topa Topa,
Mm,
and D is Valley Springs.
no. So I don't know if there are multiple names before Ojai, but I want to say since the question's very vague that it was Nordhoff.
Okay, are you gonna lock that in?
I'm locking that.
Final answer?
Final answer.
Okay, congratulations.
3 out of 5.
You have
Almost.
majority
Majorly.
our trivia session.
Yes.
Number 1.
Thank you. That was a good idea.
Yeah, it was a good
Mhm.
idea.
That was fun. I learned something
There
today.
you go.
So that's
There's your
yes.
Happy
Happy
Caravan
Caravan
Friday.
Friday.